Hashtag short. So guys, I'm on my way to work and look what I run into. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? This big 18-wheeler flipped over. Oh, I hope the driver is okay, guys. I've never seen a truck flipped over. Look at this, guys. Wow, I hope he's okay. That was terrible. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. I never seen. How do you? I mean, you can't be going that fast to make a turn. So, how is that even possible? How do you flip a 18-wheeler making a slow speed turn? Whoa! I don't know. I don't get it. But hashtag shorts, guys. That's all I have. I just wanted y'all to see that. That is crazy. Later.